Disruption by design. There's an old saying in our field, there's three kinds of people. There's people who make things happen, people who watch what happens, and people who sit around and later wonder what happened. When you're doing something on such a scale that you're kind of creating the future, you are designing the disruption that you want to have happen and taking that leadership.
If I were to look at disruption by design, I would say welcome change.
The best way to do this is to lean into the change. So we will say yes to you if you want to access the Wall Street Journal via our newspaper. We'll say yes to you if you want to access it through Messenger. 160,000 people a day read the Wall Street Journal on Messenger. But that new multi-platform strategy is very challenging for the organization. It requires a lot of change to be able to adjust to distributing content in multiple different ways.
We were very early in the IoT field with the elevator business. So we wanted to be first, and that really drove us to say, how do we disrupt ourselves? And it's changed how we service, it's changed how we sell, it's changed how we train and focus on the mechanics. So it's really transforming the whole business.
The way we dealt with it is that we have our own automation platform. We collaborate with many other providers, and we built AI inside and AI outside as a logo for the company.
Our industry is changing fast now, and it's moving towards software-based rather than actually, you could say, the traditional physical hardware implementation. So where us as the telecommunication providers, we have been acquiring hardware, putting that into our network, operating those boxes, and suddenly everything is changing, getting into the cloud, becoming software-based, and that is actually changing the entire way that we're producing services.
The reality is that most of us know that the change will be exponential. Most of us know that certain set of human behavior is not going to change. My inherent strength is my people. I'm in a people consulting business. I had to do a lot of rescaling, a lot of training, and I continue to invest. This is a journey which has got no finish line.
For me, being in the decision sciences, thinking that we're going to have a shakeout of people realizing, nope, there is such a thing as quality information, that is really good news for the future of people making decisions and everybody that has to live in the world where those decisions get made.